Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by placing the thread spool on the pin and threading the top guides. This controls smooth feed. Once done, bring the thread down and around the tension discs so the machine can regulate pull. Make sure the presser foot is raised and needle is at its highest point. That opens the tension and makes threading easier. Do this now, because a correct start prevents tangles and skipped stitches later, so don't skip these first, decisive steps. Next, wind and prepare your bobbin. Thread the spool to the bobbin winder tension and place the bobbin on the spindle so the thread wraps evenly. Once engaged, run the winder until the bobbin is full or the machine stops. Even winding equals even stitches. After that, return your thread to the upper threading path, through the K-cup lever, all top guides, and finally down toward the needle. These middle steps lock upper and lower tensions together, which finish by threading the needle and holding the upper thread while turning the handwheel toward you one full revolution to lift the bobbin thread. Pull both threads to the back under the presser foot. Lower the presser foot and sew a small sample of 4 to 6 stitches to confirm tension and stitch quality. If stitches loop on one side, make sure the upper thread is seated in the tension discs and the bobbin is wound and installed correctly. Rethreading usually solves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.